How to screenshot Snapchat without them knowing. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can screenshot Snapchat chats or snaps without them knowing or without notifying the user. Now, as you know, if you open up chats and take screenshots, or if you screen record or screenshot any chat or snaps on Snapchat, the user that you do so will be notified that you have done so. Now, to avoid it, what you want to do is open up the Snapchat app and head into chats here and open up any chats that you want. Here right now I'll just open this one here. Now as you can see, I'm screen recording my device already and this chat is being recorded right now, but there is no any notification saying that I am screen recording the chat. However, if you take a screenshot, the user will be notified. If you want to avoid it, what you want to do is head into your app store, and if you have default screen recorder, that's better, but if you don't have it, you can search in for screen recorder here and download any one screen recorder. And what you want to do is start screen recording and then head into Snapchat and record the chat, and later you can take screenshot from the video of the recording. Or if you have a second device, what you can do is take a picture or record it from the other device. So these are the only options you can screenshot on Snapchat without notifying the user. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.